Oatmeal and coconut oil mask, great for acne-prone skin. Only 3 simple and natural ingredients. Dear friend, I pray that you may enjoy good health and that all may go well with you, even as your soul is getting along well. 3 John 1 verse 2.
Hi, welcome to Princess Beauty TV. Today we're going to be making an oatmeal and coconut oil face mask. Are y'all ready for this DIY? Okay, let's get started right now. Okay, the first thing we want to do is add 3 tablespoons of oatmeal. Now, let's get busy grinding up this oatmeal with our fingers, or you can simply use a blender. Whatever is convenient and comfortable for you, okay? Okay, now since we got that all accomplished, it's time to open up this coconut oil. And we're going to get 1 tablespoon of it and just add it to our oatmeal, okay? All right, now we're going to take 1/4 cup of water and add it to our oatmeal and to our coconut oil. All right? And once we did all that, we're going to get ready to stir it, stir it, stir it up, stir it, stir it up, stir it, stir it, stir it up, stir it, stir it, stir it up, stir it, stir it up. Woo! Yes, we got that stirred up real good. All right, it's time to apply the mask. So the first thing you want to do before you apply the mask is to wash your face and neck with warm water and with an oil-free cleanser to remove makeup and open pores. All right? So after you apply the mask all over your face, you will let it sit for at least 10 to 15 minutes. All right? After 10 or 15 minutes, just gently massage the mask into your face using small circular motions, okay, for about another 2 to 5 minutes. All right? Once you've done all that, now you want to rinse the mask off with lukewarm water, okay? When the mask is completely removed, you can splash your skin with cool water to close and tighten the pores. Then, after that, you will pat your skin dry with a soft, clean towel. As you all can see, I'm having an amazingly awesome time applying this mask, but it's time to get ready to take it all the way off. So, before I take it off, I'm just going to wipe off the excess oatmeal with a warm napkin, okay? I just applied water to it, okay? And I'm just wiping the excess off, so I won't get that all down the drain because I don't know. It might clog it up, and I just don't want to unclog a drain today, y'all. Do y'all feel me? I don't want to. Anyways, I think that is a awesome tip for you all, okay? Take off the oatmeal, the excess oatmeal, okay? Before you wash your face. Now I'm going to rinse my face off with some warm water. So I'm trying to remove the rest of this oatmeal and coconut oil, but the coconut oil was still sticking on my face. So what I'm going to do is go in on my face with my coconut butter soap to remove the excess coconut oil, okay? And it worked amazingly awesome. This is one of my favorite soaps to use on my face, and honey, the soap is like $1.44, okay? It's cheap, and I absolutely love it, and my face loves it, all right? So, after I'm done with this, I'm just going to gently, honey, gently pat my face dry. Ooh, yes, look at my skin. It's glowing, honey, glowing. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yes. Ooh, yes, that coconut oatmeal mask is the bomb. Now, I'm just going to go ahead in on my face with my toner, okay? Just rubbing it all the way in because I love to do that before I apply my moisturizer. So I'm just being a little extra, honey. Just a little extra. Nothing's wrong with that. I'm just having me some good old me time. Me time. We all need some me time, okay? So now I'm going to apply my Clear Pore by Neutrogena. Absolutely love this. And I use it every single day. All right? And it's very, very rare that I get any pimples and bumps on my face when using this product. Okay? It's totally a game changer. All right? You need to go and grab you some. Walmart has it for the low. For the low, sis. All right. So, after I'm done with all this, it's time to grab my moisturizer, okay? This is one of my favorite moisturizers of all time. It's real gentle, so gentle that I apply it up underneath my eyes and all around my eyes, and it does not irritate it at all, okay? Okay, I'm just continuing to massage in and rub in the moisturizer on my face, okay? And I love it because it's not real greasy at all. It just leaves the skin looking totally beautiful and refreshed, okay? So I'm very pleased with the mask. Yeah, I think it made a difference with my skin, and I hope you all give it a try. But anywho, I'm going to go ahead and also apply my vitamin E oil on my lips, because you know my lips gotta be popping. Hallelujah. Yes, my lips got to be popping. Look at that. It look like I got gloss on, honey. Yes. And it's all natural. I love using it on my lips. Yes, yes, yes. All right. Well, I'll see you guys later. But before I go, here's a closer look at the skin products that I love to use. Okay, well, I thank you all so much for watching Princess Beauty TV. Be sure to subscribe, okay? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Y'all have a blessed